welcome back to the vlog. Mark Lin here, and for this trip, samahan niyo ako sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, and it's going to be my first time there. So guys, ayun, it's a Sunday today and ang bilis lang ng process. Nakarating ako ng Naiya Terminal 3 ng around 2:15 and at 2:50 nakalagpas na tayo sa bag drop, immigration and security. Dalawa lang yung tinanong sa akin sa immigration. What's my work or job role here? And kung kailan yung balik ko. And then tinataka na yung passport. Ganun lang kabilis. And tara, samahan yung ako maghanap tayo ng cafe kung saan ako pwede tumambay dahil 6 PM pa yata yung boarding ko and we still have plenty of time to spare. So we are here at Bose Coffee since sarado pa rin yung Starbucks ng last international travel ko. Sarado na yun guys, and hanggang ngayon parang under renovation pa rin. We are boarding na guys. We just arrived at Tan Son Nhat International Airport, Terminal 1 guys. And tingnan natin kung mahaba yung pila sa immigration. But we booked a fast track service, so sana worth it siya. And ayun, you can use my promo code if ibubook nyo rin siya sa Klook. Hello guys, so we already arrived here sa hotel/hostel natin. So ayun, check-in muna si Mimay dun sa isang hotel and hinihintay ko lang siya because sama rin siya mag-check-in sa akin dito sa other hotel. So yun, ang daming nauna sa amin na Pinoy na nag-withdraw din. And finally, nakapag-withdraw na kami without charge. And nag-withdraw muna ako ng 3 million in cash. And ito yung katumbas niya in peso. Ito-flash ko na lang sa screen for your reference. So ito yung Bentan Market guys. Hindi na tayo dadaan dyan because ang dami kong nakitang TikTok na maraming scammers dyan. And pushy and aggressive yung mga vendors. So ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Pero hindi na tayo dadaan dyan. And super katabi niya lang yung Silverland Hotel. Ayan. if you have the budget, go magstay kayo dyan. And hello again guys, nakapag-settle rin sa wakas dito sa hotel room natin. We are staying here at Amory and we will be here for 2 nights and nabuko to for around 3,000 plus pesos for 3 days and 2 nights, and pwede nyo rin siya i-book through Klook guys. Don't forget my promo code for discounts. And ayun, story time, nakaka-haggard sa airport kanina. And take note, nag-avail pa kami ng fast track ng friend ko na si Mimay. And kami lang dalawa yung nag-avail. So kami lang talaga yung nasa pila. And then sa immigration na usual, sobrang haba ng pila guys. Parang kung hindi kami nag-fast track, abutin kami ng 1.5 to 2 hours doon. Ganong level. Kasi hindi ko siya na-videohan or na-picturean dahil bawal daw. Winarningan ako. So ayun, kesa magka-record pa tayo dito sa Vietnam. It's my first time here. So, ayun, I took the safe route and hindi na lang ako nag-take ng photos or videos doon. At nakita nyo naman kanina, kami rin yung unang nag-claim ng luggage namin. May mga horror stories din kasi ata na nawawala yung luggage nila pag sobrang tagal nila sa immigration. So, ayun guys. And nagbo kami ng Grab to the hotel and tatawid pa kayo sa parking. Pero may nag-guide naman doon if ever. So, ayun. And then, ano pa? Nagutom kami. Ang first meal namin dito, alam nyo ba? Burger King. Nakakaloka. Wala na kaming ibang mahanap na choice or ayaw na namin mag-isip actually. So, doon na kami kumain. And nag-withdraw kami sa VP Bank kanina. Kasi yung tinry namin sa airport, grabe, sobrang, ang laki ng charge niya. Parang, nag-try lang kasi ako to check. Nag-withdraw lang ako ng 100k dong. Tapos, supposedly parang 200 plus lang siya yung equivalent. And then, nabawas dun sa card ko, 371 pesos. So, ang laki ng charge. And dun sa VP Bank, guys, or sa TP Bank, wala siyang charge actually. So, ayun yung mararecommend ko sa inyo. And ayun, maliligo na ako para makatulog na rin tayo. And para maaga tayo makapag-start tomorrow, may breakfast na included dito sa room. And ayun, before ako mag-shower, let's do a quick room tour. So guys, we are staying in a standard double room, as I recall, kung sana tama. Ayun. And ito, meron siyang mirror dito. Meron tayong TV na decent size. Yung aircon niya, ayan. Parang medyo matagal lang siya lumamig. And then, ito, may free na water and then coffee and tea. Ayan. Meron ding teapot dyan. May cups. And then, meron doon, water kettle. Behind my bag. And ito yung bed natin guys. Meron ding kasamang towel dyan. And ito, actually parang pwedeng workstation to, no? Pero fortunately, wala naman tayong dalang work for this trip. This is just a pure vacation guys. So, ayun. And meron tayong minibar. Ayan yung prices. Ayan, not so bad. And ito yung mga included. Check natin. Ayan. May juice, may soft drinks, may water din. And sa akin tong onigiri na to and tong melon milk na to, binili ko sa 7-Eleven. Then we also have a safety deposit box here guys. Meron ding hangers dito sa closet na to na medyo spacious naman. And let's go to the bathroom guys. Ito yung shower area. Ayan, meron kasamang shower gel and shampoo. And feeling ko heated naman yung shower nila. Meron ganong markings. And ito yung toilet. Merong kasamang bidet. Merong hand wash dito. Merong faucet. Ayan, may glasses, may towels, may hair dryer. Perfect. Guys, gusto ko yung lighting ng nitong bathroom. Tingnan nyo. Nakaka-fresh ang bongga. O, diba? OMG, nag-iiba pa siya ng color. Wait. Hello. Ayan. O diba, pwedeng warm. Ang bongga naman dito. And that's it for our very quick room tour guys. Good night for now and I will see you tomorrow. our first cafe. So guys, we just had a quick breakfast and as you saw, very simple lang yung breakfast nila. And hindi kami nag-coffee doon dahil sa labas tayo magko-coffee. And sana okay itong first cafe na itatry natin here in Ho Chi Minh. So guys, we made it here sa Cheese Coffee and very aesthetic na tong place. Ang ganda mag-picture-picture and ang mura lang ng coffee nila and masarap. I ordered the salted marble na ice and na-free upsize ako dahil yata bumili ako ng tiramisu na cake. And ayun, yung tiramisu hindi ko pa natatry. Pero yung coffee, I swear, parang hindi kayo matatalo rito pag mga coffee. Masarap siya. Sarap ng coffee guys. And moment of truth sa tiramisu. It's good. guys, so ay nag-power nap lang kami. And then, punta tayo sa may Son Maru to check out their chocolates. And dinner tayo after that. So ayun, I will see you later. So guys, we are here at Teso Mall and then nag-order kami ng local food. Nandito kami sa isang Vietnamese restaurant ni Mins. And finally, makakakain na tayo ng something Vietnamese or local. So ayun, sana masarap yung food. Guys, super na-enjoy namin yung pho kanina dun sa, nakalimutan ko yung name ng restaurant, pero ayun, lalagay ko na lang dyan. And mura lang din yung nagastos namin. Super sulit ng food and nabusog talaga kami. Ngayon, maghanap tayo ng cafe na pwede tambayan. Pero for now, nag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito sa mall dahil busog pa kami.